firefighter. The firefighter will extinguish fires and protect everyone's safety. Let's experience it together.
Hello, this is the fire station. Please call us for help in case of the emergency. We need to complete 2 firefighting missions today. Hello, this is the fire station. I am Dispatcher Kiki.
The mine has collapsed and the miner is buried inside. We ask the firemen for help.
Don't worry, the firefighting rescue team will head there right away. There is an emergency. Let's go for the rescue. Kiki, the mine has collapsed and the miners are buried inside. We need to rescue them immediately. Okay, Hank and I will get ready to get into the mine. Put on protective equipment. Searchlight. Protective mask. Explosion-proof toolkit. Folding stretcher. Searchlight. Protective mat. Life detector. Lifting air cushion. The equipment is ready. Come on, let's set out quickly. The mine may collapse at any time. Let's hurry up. It's a miner's hat. Check out for miner with the life detector. Tap on corresponding number key to see which frequency band can receive sound waves. There is a signal. The miner's sound waves are around here. The support frame of the mine is broken. Let's fix it quickly. Let's hurry up and move ahead. Oh no! Falling rocks are blocking the road. Break the rocks quickly. The road is cleared. Find the... Oh no! The miner is trapped by collapsed slates. Let's get him out. Drag the lifting air cushion. Turn the gas cylinder switch to inflate the air cushion. Great! The miner is saved. Let's get out of the mine. Momo, we helped the miner out. Let's send him to a nearby hospital for treatment. Yeah, great job. Fire rescue task is complete. Hello, this is the fire station. I am Dispatcher Kiki. Someone has trapped in the tree. We ask the firemen for help. Don't worry, the firefighting rescue team will head there right away. There is an emergency. Let's go for the rescue. Kiki, Whiskers climbed a tree and got stuck in it. Okay, let's get ready to climb up the tree. Let's climb the tree and help Whiskers down. There are spiders hanging from the tree. Get rid of them first. Cut off these branches with scissors. There are birds! Chase them away quickly! Whiskers, don't be afraid. I'll secure the rope and help you down. Slide the arrow and attach the rope to the tree trunk. Whiskers, it's dangerous to climb high. Be careful not to fall. I'll never dare to climb high again. Yeah, great job. Fire rescue task is complete.